Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Many menopausal women need estrogen patches. There's a massive shortage. There is a shortage of estrogen patches, a key treatment for menopause symptoms, due to manufacturing issues and increased demand after the FDA removed a warning label. This has left many women struggling to find their monthly prescription, forcing them to call multiple pharmacies, switch to more expensive brand name options, or use different estrogen products each month. Women suffering from menopause and perimenopause often face long delays in getting proper treatment, with 1 in 5 going a year before being diagnosed. Experts advise women not to ration their patches and to try different pharmacies or estrogen methods like gels or sprays if their patches are unavailable. The shortage highlights the challenges women face in accessing necessary treatments, with one woman noting that a shortage of Viagra would likely receive more attention. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.